So this is the Devil's Backbone. It's west of Loveland, Colorado, off of Highway 34 as you're heading on your way to Rocky Mountain National Park and Estes Park. It's a beautiful place to stop by. Gotta make sure you do it. Let's check it out a little closer. So here's a little overlook. Here it is. We're way down here off 34. And you can see lots of trails here. There's the open space. It goes up along here. You can go all the way up to the reservoir. So much to hike and see. There's biking trails. Just a fun place with a really cool geological structure here. So let's get hiking on here. Pretty gentle, easy trail here to go on. So many birds, you can hear them all over the place. There's a few little steep spots here where it goes up a little bit, but not a lot of elevation gain, a little bit up and down, a little bit going up, going down. Just a fun little stroll you can have here. Look at how neat this looks. Lots of cool flowers. Nice little uphill incline. Okay, time to keep going. It's fun stopping to smell the roses. Well, not roses, but flowers. Time to get going again. Up, 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 and more up. We can go either way here. We can go up or we can go down. We are going to go up because we love going up, don't we? Going up makes going down all the more fun. Is starting to come into view. Sure looks cool. The sun's right behind it, so it's a little hard to look at it, but it's looking really great. Look at this view. Come out here in the winter and shot the stars from this exact spot right here because I could could get really wide with my 14mm. Shot like this, so you could get the backbone along the bottom of the image. Really pretty. All right, let's change a battery here in the GoPro, and then we'll get on going some more. Look at this view. Start to see a little bit how thin this backbone is off there. You can see how it's being lit on the one side. I always like this area because it looks like there's kind of some holes in the rock, which there is. If you want to shoot really wide, you come down here, get some flowers in the foreground. This is so pretty. As you can probably tell by the brightness, sun is still over there lighting up that cloud. So right now it's a little hard to shoot from this direction, which is really the best side to shoot it from. Have to wait for the sun to go a little bit lower, so it's not right along the horizon. And as it's setting, these clouds get lit up. Oh, this is going to be just an incredibly awesome show. We're going to walk up just a little bit more so you can see a little bit more. But I just wanted to really stop and see, because once we get up a little more, you're not going to see those holes there. So everything changes as we move. I thought this was worthwhile to stop and give you a little view of that, and give me a little breather as we're walking up the trail. I'm really liking the way this looks right here. I'm going to stop and take some photos myself. Clouds look kind of whitish in the back of this GoPro viewfinder, but to my eye they're starting to turn a little goldish yellowish color. So I'm going to take some photos here. I'll be back. And we've burst up into the sun. Good thing I brought my sunglasses along. It was so shady in the parking area, I almost left them behind. Look at the view you have here. Just so incredibly beautiful. This is the end of June, lots of wildflowers here. Sun looks cool. Well, the trail loops around a little bit. It extends up to here just a little bit and gives you a really nice overlook. So we'll walk up to here. Couple benches here if you want to sit and enjoy the sunrise or sunset. So the Devil's Backbone continues on that way. Some really nice houses down below. More wallflowers. Little panorama of what's in front of us, which is nice. Get to ID the peaks. And See, the trail leads off there a little bit. A little bit of the backbone. Really nice spot. We're going to continue on though. There's some even nicer views, believe it or not. And we will take you to them. Hold on. And we will get going some more. Alright, little split in the trail here. You can go to the right or you can go up to the left just a little bit. And we are definitely going up to the left. You see this, you'll know why. Look at what's before us. This incredible arch. Look at that. Right in the middle of the Devil's Backbone is this super cool arch. There's a few benches built here. You can sit and watch the sunset if you want, or maybe the sunrise. Look at the cool shape of this. Can you hear the goats down below? Look at the shape. Come below, shoot this with a really wide lens, 16 millimeter maybe. Look at this view. So I back up. Look at that. Now the only thing I don't really care for as a landscape photographer is all the houses below. But sometimes you gotta take what you get. This is so incredibly beautiful. I hear a rooster, I hear goats down there. Hope they're all penned up safe, because I heard some coyotes on the way up. Look at this beautiful view. Alright, we're going to continue on. People are coming, because this is a popular spot. Look at this little special treat. Here at sunset, we've got a few clouds still lingering on. A lot of them have disappeared, but had just enough to stick around. This is a little bit wide for this. I've photographed this already a little tighter. But look at how cool that looks with the holes in the rock. That stream of orange clouds. Hopefully they look orange on here. They definitely are orange. A hint of magenta, but definitely orange. Very beautiful. I think I'm gonna come back up this way. I've already shot it like this with some flowers in it. Is that incredibly beautiful or what? It's beautiful. It's not or what? And there's some nice color going off this way. Dynamic range is a little bit too much for the camera, but there's some nice clouds up that way with some of the other parts of the backbone. But I'm coming back here a little bit to reposition these clouds. Color's starting to fade a little bit already, so I better stop and take my last photos of this before it just totally disappears. Alright, again, please subscribe and share. Certainly hope you enjoyed this.